I wanted to interject this little piece. We're just about done looking at the 2250 system, which includes diesel particulate matter being taken care of and nitrous oxide. We then go to the 2350. So that's kind of a generational change. They modularized some of the sensors. They fine-tuned things. They went to a different ECM in the 2350. The after-treatment controller we looked at now became part of the ECM. In upcoming videos, you'll see the two ECMs together so you can look at the difference in them. The plugs are different. Software is different. And so they now only have one ECM on the engine that control everything. It's got enough power and hardware in it to do that. They made some changes to the sensors. They added some sensors. But the thing you need to remember is 2250, 2350, and today we're at 2450, CM 2450. And remember, those are ECM platforms, electronic generational changes. That's what the 2250, 2450 means. They kind of blend together now. And as time goes on, we have software tweaks, hardware tweaks. There is a significant change in the 2450 in the unitized after treatment and the UL2 and the smart def injector, which I'll talk about. That'll be coming up. But when you search for these now, you're going to see after treatment 2250/2350, and I'm just going to keep going up with the parts, part 6, part 7, part 8, because that way you're going to just see the continuous flow. So there's no sense in repeating everything over and over. So that's how I plan on doing this. And then if you have questions about something, just pop the question in and I'll answer it, and we'll go from there. And then we'll run through this to the end of where we currently are. And then we'll move on to some other stuff. I got a lot of stuff I want to talk about actual fault codes in the real world. So once we get through this, we'll go into that. Okay, and if there's something you want me to hit on, just let me know, and I'll work that into it if it's something that will help you.